Hello, this is CryptoSnake coming back to you with our second installment of the Trading Techniques series. This video will focus on how to use a stop loss function and the strategies that go along with it. What is a stop loss? A stop loss is exactly what it sounds like, a function to stop loss. In this case, it is to stop you from losing money on your investment and acts as a sort of safety net preserving your portfolio. How does this work? By placing a stop loss after you enter a position, you effectively create a safety net below your entry, and when a certain price is reached, it will automatically place a sell order at your specified price. Why is this useful? This is useful for preservation of capital. The last thing you want to happen is to be stuck holding the bag on a failed project that has had the bottom pulled out from beneath it, leaving you waiting days and even months to recover your money. When should I use it? Almost always. There are very few instances where you shouldn't put a stop loss on your position. As the crypto space is a very volatile market, anything can cause a massive dump in the price, whether it's a failed exchange listing or bad publicity for the team. Having a stop loss in place ensures you won't be taken down with the coin. How do I use it? If you are trading on Binance, go to your desired coin. In this case, we will go to VeChain. If you have watched my previous video on how to trade altcoins, this screen should look familiar. If you don't know how to get here, click the Funds, Balances, and Trade button next to your desired coin. On the bottom side of the screen, you will see the Buy VET and Sell VET section. On the top left of this section are three tabs: Limit, Market, and Stop Limit. Select Stop Limit. This is the tab we are going to use to post our stop limit. We will be using the Sell VET section stop limit for this purpose. Under the Stop section is where we will have the price trigger our sell point. Think of the Stop section as a tripwire or switch, and the limit or price as the safety net. Keep in mind, if you place your stop price and limit price too close, there is a chance that your sell price may be skipped entirely, so make sure to give it some breathing room. For the purpose of this video, we will be setting our stop price at 170 and our sell price at 168 in case of a catastrophic collapse. Once you post your order, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm that if the price falls below 170, your order will sell at 168. These numbers will obviously be different for your coin. The order will then show up under the Open Orders section. If the price should reach 170, it will immediately post a sell order at 168, executing our order from the order book. If the price should continue to fall down to, let's say, 150, we will have saved ourselves from a 12% loss. Remember, preservation of capital is just as important as gaining capital in this market. That's it for the stop loss function. If you have any questions or you would like to see a specific video done, please comment below. Also, please join us in my free Telegram group at t.me/cryptosnakepit for insight into my overview of the market, trading, tips, advice, and sneak peeks into my personal entries and exits. Information on how to join in the description below. This is CryptoSnake, signing off.